This video is the Hair Mod tutorial part 2, and it explains how to install the inZOI plugin, create hair meshes for a hat, and publish the mod. Click Edit and then click Preferences. Click the Add-ons tab and click Install from Disk. Enter the path to the installed inZOI ModKit Extras/Blender plugin folder. The installation takes some time. Wait until completion. Press N, open the inZOI tab, and click Open. Click the Female button to load a female body mesh. Click the Import Outfit button to load the created hair mesh. Click the Copy Skin Weight button to apply weights to the mesh. In Data, keep only the necessary vertex groups and remove the others. Follow the screen to lock the corresponding vertex groups. After locking the groups, select Delete All Unlocked Groups to remove the unlocked groups. Click Unlock All to release the locked vertex groups. Click Export Asset to save the file. Create a hair mesh for the hat. Press A, then press X to delete the objects. Import the weighted hair mesh and other necessary meshes using Import to FBX. Click Bones and press H to hide them. Hide the hat and head meshes. Select the hair mesh and switch to Edit mode. Place the cursor on the scalp, press L, and then press H to hide it. Unhide the previously hidden hat and head meshes. Press numpad 3 and Alt-Z. Check the hat hole position and drag the upper part of the hair to select. Check the mesh and press X to delete the selected faces. Select the protruding back part of the mesh by pressing L. Enable Proportional Editing Objects. Press G, then press Y. Adjust the range using the mouse wheel and push the hair inside the hat. Press numpad 3 and Alt-Z. Select parts of the mesh to remove inside the hat using Shift and drag. Rotate the view to verify the selection and press X to delete the faces. Press numpad 3 and drag the protruding hair mesh. Press S and X to push the mesh inward. Adjust the range using the wheel key. Select the front hair part using Shift and drag. Press G and Y to push the hair inside the hat. Some meshes may be pushed too far inside the head. Drag these parts and use G to move them outward. Hide the hat mesh, switch to object mode, and verify the meshes. After completion, delete the head and hat mesh using X. Press Alt-H to unhide all hidden items. Add hat to the mesh name to distinguish from the original hair mesh. Save the file using Export to FBX. Press Home and select Create a ZOI. Select one female hair and click Create New Project. Refer to the screen and name the mod. Click Open Mod Workspace. Add the created mesh. Click Import. Open the hair mesh. Below is the hat type mesh. Click plus to add a map. Notice that a mesh cannot be added in this section. Go up and click Import to load the hair hat mesh. Change the mesh to the original hair mesh. Insert the hat mesh into the previously imported hat mesh slot. Use a square thumbnail image with size as power of 2. Click MI Hair button and create a new material instance. Double-click the material and verify its proper creation. Open the mesh folder and double-click the hair mesh. Insert the created material into the hair slot. Insert the female scalp into the scalp slot. Save the changes. Double-click the hair hat mesh and repeat the same steps. Insert the created material into the hair slot and the female scalp into the scalp slot. Save after completion. Click Create Local Mod Package to generate a testing file. Verify the created mod in the game. If any mesh issues occur, edit the skeletal mesh in Blender. Click Share UGC to publish the mod. Select the mod to upload and click Upload Image. The image must have size 400 by 400. Set the class to Create a ZOI and the category to Hairstyle. Other descriptions can be modified after upload.